up, y'all? Today is Friday. Taking the car to work today. And then gonna meet up with Julio and the guys probably for a little bit. I have to go like to Best Buy and shit. I gotta go to Best Buy today to get a headset for my Xbox. Oh, yo, peep my hat though. Hold on. Yo, that shit. It says Gulag. For those of you who know, that's my Xbox Activision account. Call of Duty. Shout out to my boy Ralphie. He got this hat for me. My boy, he's like Team Call of Duty for, you know, an athlete. He's like a professional BMX athlete. So they sent him like a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, he grabbed one for me. So shout out to my boy Ralphie and Nigel. But yeah, this hat is pretty dope. Shit is funny. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go and head to work. That's about it. So see what the day brings us. And I also have this noise coming from the right side. Keep forgetting to jack up the car and check it out. But it's like a cluck, 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 cluck. Like when I accelerate it like hard, it goes like cluck, 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 cluck. Oh no. Look, you hear that? Sounds bad. Really bad now. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Watch. You hear that noise? It sounds so weird. I feel like it might actually be like maybe my upper control arm or something. But something is definitely making noise on that side, which is really annoying because this car never makes any noise or never made any noise in the front. And this car is filthy too. Well, you guys can't even see it. And this car is filthy too, so I'm gonna have to probably just wipe it down later. I'm not doing that right now, it's too hot. Man, that front end was making so much noise. I did like a little pull. Like I just did like a little pull first gear just to see what happened. And it's not making it as bad now, but something is loose, like motor mounts. But I was checking my motor mounts and they were pretty tight, so I don't know what it is. I'm gonna look over my upper control arm and stuff like that real quick when I get to Julio's house. Hopefully it's something. Hopefully I can find something that's loose and you know it'll be 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so I'm out of work. Just finished eating some banging ass Pizza Hut. I came to Target, buy a headset because I be putting in work in Warzone. I used to stream. I stopped streaming. I might do it again. Not sure, but yeah. Now I'm gonna go to Julio's block, meet up with some of the guys there, and I guess see what else we get into. I'm not gonna be there for too long because open up says early and I gotta go food shopping. Alright, yeah, Julio got his car done up already. Got the wheels on. Jesus, shit looks so good with the fucking wheels. Got the headers fixed. So the headers were cut from, I don't even know where they were cut from actually. I think they were cut. Oh, they were cut from right here. Cut from right here. Extended it higher and made it to, yo, Jordan, was that 3.5, right? 3.5?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a 3.5, right?
He wanted 4, but
yeah, so we did a 3.5. Now you gotta get it cerakoted coated. Yo, my man, what happened?
we're trying to find that right now.
You dropped? You lost them? Yeah, that shit. Oh, that's what you want to search for? But yeah, so you got that done in the car. My boy's out here. The car is done. Gotta get tuned. Oh, you still gotta get this, right? You still gotta get your piping done. That's a lot. Well, 2 last things: the piping and tune. Fucking wheels look so good though. Look how big that throttle body is. Julio about to start it up right now. It's on a like regular. Jesus Christ. I might mess with my car, but I'm feeling super lazy right now. Even though I just gotta jack it up and check it out, but I'm gonna do it because I have to. So yeah, let's see what I find. Alright, went for a quick drive around the block. I don't blame him. I would want to drive that shit everywhere. But I'm gonna jack up this car, see if I can find a problem. I might have Fully help me, see if he can see anything too. Well, looks like it's my upper control arm. Hear that? As soon as the power goes cluck, 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 cluck. When I'm driving, it's probably moving. So, looks like I'm gonna have to get some upper control arms. Fuck. Damn, this shit looks mad white on the thing. Damn, it's literally the color of cream. It has pearl in it, right?
Yeah, it's a cream pearl.
Damn, that shit look nice. Damn, that color look good though. I ain't even gonna front. That shit looks good. Niggas, it looks perfect on the camera. Look.
That nigga need to slam that shit already, bro.
Nah, no cap.
Needs boost for his age.
Yeah. Oh, pop the hood, pop the hood, pop the hood, pop the hood. Gotta show this hood. This shit looks fire. I don't know if niggas even remember this shit. Damn,
don't mind this.
fancy nigga shit. Look at this. Fancy nigga shit. This is what money look like right here. Look at that. Money. Damn, it looks good. Let me get a picture of this.
How many people does it take to take out an axle?
What happened? What happened? Whoa, motherfucker! What happened? This nigga is grimy, son. You see it? Yo, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. Push it in. Yo, I want half of that money. Suspension day. Julio. Yo, Julio! Doing some coilovers on this. Got Jordan pulling up. It's not bad.
Let me see that, Jordan.
Jordan, that's not you that smells like carne frita, nigga.
Bro, I wish it was. Nah, the food's still over there. I don't know if I smell it. You want this shit to rise, huh? Hell no.
She almost ate it.
Bust her ass, my nigga.
I would have just
Look at that fuck up.
She dead trip, right?
Yo.
See the tits on my car?
Yo, why my camera so dark? Yo, Joe.
Stand up, you tall ass.
Who's a super?
You ever seen a big dude get on a motorcycle?
Oh, man.
Bueno.
Oh, that's why the clutch is high.
Oh! He missed a gear. What's going on, guys? So I forgot to close the video again. So I just wanted to close the video to you guys again. Thank you guys again for watching. Julio car should be getting dyno. Yeah, this camera's going crazy. I have to get a lens. Julio car should be ready to get a dyno this week. Yeah, but it was just a chill day at the block with the guys. Yeah, nothing really much happened. Just hung out with the guys as usual. But this camera is going nuts right now. But anyways, yeah, it was just a chill day on the block with the guys. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. Let's hit 30,000 subscribers, guys. I just ordered the control arms, so it should be coming in, I don't even know, in a week, because everything is getting delayed in shipping and they still haven't shipped it. So yeah, I gotta put that on, get a wheel alignment and all that stuff. But Julio should be tuning this weekend, so let's see. And this week is my daughter's birthday, so I can't go, but I'm gonna give the camera to Julio if I can, so we don't miss it out. So you guys don't miss out. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out.